Hello, my name is Tanaya Asan, and I'm here to share with you some exciting news about the green fields available to you with your MLS provider, and to talk about the value these new fields can have for you and your client. Are you prepared for the future of real estate? Are you ready to assist a client in selling or searching for a green home? The real estate professional is certain to be at center stage of the trends towards green and energy-efficient homes. In our presentation today, we will tell you how your MLS provider is preparing you for the future of green and energy-efficient homes. We will give you an introduction to your Green MLS system and how to use it to help your clients. But first, let's talk a little bit about what makes a home green. Green homes are easier on the environment and on the pocketbook by addressing these 5 environmental issues. They are built to use less energy for heating and cooling and are more comfortable, less drafty. They are healthier by addressing the air quality in the home. They save on water through water-efficient landscaping practices and high-efficient indoor water fixtures such as shower heads and faucets. Better built homes last longer and therefore save on our planet's valuable resources. Homes that are built in proximity to services and public transportation also help our environment by reducing automobile use. A home's walk score is one way to evaluate this aspect of a home. The good news is that home buyers do consider energy efficiency. The National Association of Realtors profiles home buyers and sellers every year. Heating and cooling costs are important or very important to 88% of buyers. The research on this question goes back to 2008, and the numbers have been consistent every year. The Green MLS is a great resource for real estate agents to help clients figure out energy cost, and this research signals that the Green MLS movement is a tool that will continue to grow. This research about why home buyers buy green homes is also consistent. More and more homeowners are asking about the utility bills for the homes they are purchasing. They are becoming more savvy about the comfort in the homes as well as the quality of the indoor air. People around the world are becoming more concerned about the environment and wanting to do their part. And, according to this survey, they also see a perceived value in their green home. Research studies of the sale of green homes reflect the truth of this perceived value. The California Association of Realtors understands the impact that the realtor can have on California's initiatives for more energy-efficient homes. They have a green resources page on their website to assist realtors in understanding the value they can bring to their clients. There's lots of opportunity for the real estate professional to provide a valuable service to their clients by understanding the benefits and the value of a green home, and by knowing how to use your Green MLS system. Why a Green MLS? According to the National Association of Realtors Green Resource Council, a Green MLS is designed to support the flow of green home information and performance data between the players in the marketplace. The value of the green homes comes from this information flow. Your ability to serve and provide valuable green information to your client is largely dependent on the information you can find on your MLS. And let's look at the appraisal process and how value of the home is determined. An appraiser doesn't create value. They account for the characteristics of the home, and then they read the value of that home based on market conditions. They need evidence to show value in the marketplace. What happens if that home's energy efficiency is certified by a third party? Without a way to easily find information about other recently sold third-party certified homes in the marketplace, the appraiser's hands are tied. They have no way to find comps, and the value of the home's efficiency is lost. The National Association of Realtors knows the importance of the Green MLS and has developed a Green MLS toolkit that helps MLS providers develop a Green MLS system. It is also a great resource for realtors wanting to understand more about green homes. Fortunately, your MLS system is set up to capture valuable green and energy efficient data on the property. Realtors and appraisers can access this information and use it to make better informed decisions. This helps you better serve your growing clients who are looking to purchase an energy efficient green home. Let's show you how to use your Green MLS so that you can get the most out of the system. You do not need to be an expert to use the green fields in your MLS system. Green and energy efficient data is provided to you by the homeowner, builder, or remodeler, but you may need to ask for it, and it is helpful to know what to ask for. We'll talk more about that in this presentation. First, start with sharing with your homeowner or contractor the list of MLS fields with the green fields from your MLS system. Obtain the green information from the homeowner, builder, or contractor. Enter that information into the MLS fields. Uploading supporting documentation is important if your MLS system provides for it. Backup documentation helps assure accuracy and supports the goal for providing reliable information. It is up to you to showcase this information properly in the listing. Your clients, other realtors, and your appraisers will use this information. When reviewing a property, appraisers can also use the Appraisal Institute's newly developed form called the Residential Green and Energy Efficient Addendum. The form can assist them in compiling energy and green information and use it in their analysis. You can request your appraiser use this form to draw attention to the green and energy efficient features in your clients' homes. Let's dig in a little further and talk about the green fields in your MLS. There are three basic types of data that reflect a home's green and energy efficient attributes. The green fields in the MLS give you an opportunity to input that data to the project profile. What are those three types? First, green and energy efficient certificates through a third-party verification. Second, individual green features or attributes. And third, green energy upgrades by a credentialed Energy Upgrade California contractor. First, let's talk a little bit more about green certifications. A third-party verification means that the home has been reviewed and tested by a credentialed professional to assure that it meets credible green and energy efficient standards. Knowing that a home has a third-party green or energy efficient certification takes the guesswork out of the buying and selling process for everyone. There are various organizations throughout our state and nation who manage third-party programs and the professionals who conduct the testing. Here's a list of energy and green certifications you're likely to see in California. Under energy efficiency, you might find Energy Star homes. Energy Star homes are different than Energy Star appliances. It's an evaluation of the whole house, and the program is managed by the U.S. Department of Energy. In California, we have a program called California Home Energy Rating. It also evaluates the energy performance of a home. We'll talk a little bit more about that one later on. Green home certifications as we mentioned, evaluate more than energy. They evaluate indoor air, water conservation, resource conservation, and community, along with the energy. There's two that you're likely to find in California. The first is called Greenpoint Rated. It's California specific, and it's managed by a nonprofit called Build It Green. The second one is called Lead for Homes. You'll find Lead for Homes nationally, and it's managed by a nonprofit called U.S. Green Building Council. Ask your homeowner or builder if the home has a green or energy certification. You will want a copy of the certificate to upload to the property profile page. Your MLS system will likely have a location where you can identify the type of certificate, the date, and score. Let's look at the California-specific certificates. The first is called the California Home Energy Rating Score, and it's a numerical value that represents the relative energy use of the rated home. It looks at the house as a whole and is conducted by a California HERS 2 rater. A value of 0 indicates a net zero home, which is a home that uses zero net purchased energy from the utility company. A value of 100 indicates a home that meets today's energy code in California. A home with scores of higher than 100 are homes of earlier vintage that tend to use more energy. A green program used in California is called Greenpoint Rated, and as I mentioned, it's evaluated on 5 environmental categories. A Greenpoint rater who's trained and certified by Build It Green does the evaluation. The home must qualify for a minimum of 50 points to earn the label. Over 15,000 homes have earned that label throughout California, and there's another 15,000 registered. There's 4 rating programs in the Greenpoint rated system. There's a single-family new home, multifamily new home, single-family existing home, and multifamily existing home. The second means for using green fields in your MLS system is by identifying individual green features or attributes in the home. Review your MLS fields and become familiar with the potential green fields. Realtors can make their clients aware of the MLS green fields, but do not identify them themselves. Use the green MLS fields from your MLS system and have the homeowner or builder fill it out. Some examples might be low E or high performing windows. Another energy efficient feature would be high efficient equipment or appliances. Under water efficiency, you might find water efficient landscape or low flow, high performing interior fixtures. Under indoor air quality, you might find low emitting paints, carpets, and other finishes in your green home. This means that they off-gas less toxic chemicals. You might find high-performing air filtration system or ventilation system. Products made of renewable resources are also found in green homes. And lastly, renewable energy, solar PV, or solar hot water. Remember to ask your homeowner or builder about the green features in the home. The last type of data I want to talk about today is a home performance upgrade report as part of Energy Upgrade California. More and more homeowners are choosing to upgrade their home through a statewide program called Energy Upgrade California. The program gives rebates to homeowners to help them with energy upgrades. Contractors for the programs are trained, certified, and quality assured through a national certification called Building Performance Institute. If a home has been improved through the Energy Upgrade California program, you can be assured that the home uses less energy than a corresponding home of a similar vintage. Obtain the Energy Upgrade Report from the homeowner or contractor. It should include the home energy's performance as well as percent improvement made on the home, the types of improvements, and the energy efficient attributes such as high-performing equipment, additional insulation, or high-performing windows. Be sure that the date of the improvements are on the report and show up in your MLS system. Your MLS may or may not have a specific field to add this data, but if not, you can add the attributes to the individual green features fields, make notes to the listing description, and then upload the report. Whether the home has a third-party certification, an energy upgrade, or a list of green features, you do not have to be an expert to use these new fields. Most often, a homeowner will let you know if their home has a certification, an energy upgrade, or contains green features. It is up to you to showcase this information properly in the listing. And once again, it is important to upload supporting documentation whenever possible. This will help assure accuracy and support the goal for providing reliable information. There are some accompanying documents with this presentation that you may find helpful, including a glossary of the commonly found green and energy efficient certificates, and a list of resources. A glossary of green terms and other helpful information can be found at your National Association of Realtors Green Resource website. And finally, from Build It Green, we thank you for listening and wish you well on your efforts to bring this valuable service to your clients. You can visit our website for lots of green information, and feel free to contact us about our green real estate trainings.